Hi guys! Yeah, this is an order I made on Aliexpress because I saw a hot air solder station and it's now delivered. It was really cheap and I hope that it will work as expected. Let's see. I'm not sure which model it is here, but yeah, the numbers are quite the same. 700 watts up to 500 degrees Celsius and 120 liters per minute max. So let's see what we get here. Okay. Yes, the gun. Oh, looks quite good. Let's see. Yeah, handling's good, I think. Yeah, they have a special plug here on the end of the cable. It's the power cable. Some nozzles here. Okay, that's the solder station. Up button, down button. Dial for selecting how much airflow comes through. On off switch, and of course the plug, which corresponds here to this plug. And here, it's an 8588D or A, I don't know. Yeah, 700 watts whatsoever. So I think the first thing to do is to check if it works. So I have to prepare that. I don't bother you with that. Okay guys, I have assembled the solder station so far. So yeah, screwed this bracket here to the side, 2 screws, so that the air gun just sits in here. And of course I plugged in the power cable and connected the plug of the air gun. So first thing I see, the cable is a bit stiff. I don't know if this is a problem or not, but I think it should work. So let's see. Let's turn it on. Okay, choose SLP, and I saw here that SLP means it's in standby. There, SLP is displayed. The heat gun is in sleep state. And the idea is that, when you pick up the heat gun, it starts to work automatically. Let's see to which temperature it's set. It's 350. That's quite good, I think. Do we have heat? Yeah. We can confirm the heat gun emits heat. And when I put it back, you see automatically SLP is shown again, and it should. Stop. Theoretically. I don't know why it's not stopping. Maybe there is some delay time, I'm not sure. Let's see, I turn it off and on again. Okay, you see now it automatically stops. And if I take it out, tilt it down, it starts again. And if I put it back, you can imagine that there is a delay time because the heating element cannot be without airflow immediately after turning it off. So I just wait and see if it stops, and I'll prepare a board for unsoldering a part. You see now, approximately 30 seconds or so, then it stops. And I think that's really because the heating element inside the heat gun cannot be without airflow immediately after turn off, because then it would potentially overheat and be destroyed. So let's I have a thick aluminium plate here as a heat protection, because of course my wooden board here doesn't like the heat too much. And I have an old PC card here. It's a bit dusty. And you see here we have several SMD parts here. And let's just unsolder one of these parts here. Let's see how good it works. And I think I want to pick out here one of these tantalum capacitors, or both of them. And I know that these are really sensitive to heat. I remember that they show a discoloration when you heat them too much. So some patience is really necessary to gently and slowly heat it up. And as you see, I circle around here. To hit more the solder joints here, and not just the case of the capacitor. I see the solder starts to liquefy. And you see it here. The first capacitor is out. And the second capacitor is out. It's really nice. And here, let's see how good it works with this IC here. I just put you a little bit closer so that you can see what I do here. And it's 74F24 5D. I'm not sure what this is. And again, at some distance, I gently and slowly heat up the area of the pins. And I go back and forth so that the heat is distributed and nothing is burned here. And I just tap it to see if it's already unsoldered or the solder has liquefied. But of course, the bigger part needs more time. And you see, I just can push it away. So, really nice. So it's a really nice tool to have. Just put it back. Again, shows SOP. So yeah, what can I say? For just around 26 bucks, it's a really nice tool. We have two different nozzles here. One larger nozzle, one really small nozzle. Yeah. For each application we have a diameter nozzle here. And yeah, I think that's basically it. And okay, yeah, now it's a bit wobbly, but that's because I missed to apply these rubber feet here, because with that it would be more steady. So that's my fault. It's really light, and yeah, what can I say? It's really nice to have this nice tool. Let's see the temperature setting. Okay, 100. The low setting, not usable practically. Yeah, 500 is the highest setting, but that's also not usable practically. So 350 is a pretty good value, at least for leaded solder. Of course, that's an older PC card here. I think that's solder with lead in it. So yeah, this lead type solder just needs less temperature to liquefy, and the newer solder without lead in it needs more temperature. So maybe then it's not 350, but maybe 380 also. Yeah, anyways, it's just a short little video to show you this offer here. Maybe you have the chance to get your hand on this too. Just have a look. I don't know how long this offer is valid, and yeah, maybe you want to give it a chance. I don't have long-term experience with it, of course not, but yeah, I think the offer is limited. So yeah, I wish you good luck. If you are not a valued subscriber, you have now the chance to become one. Stay tuned for the next videos, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.